Welcome. If you want to transfer data from iPhone to your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first we have to go for the App Store on the iPhone and get the application to transfer data. So let's go for application name Send Anywhere. This one, there's the full name, Send Anywhere, file transfer. So let's get it. And of course we have to do the same on our Motorola. So type here also Send Anywhere. Let's open it on the iPhone. Here we have to grant all of the permissions that pop up on our screen. So let's accept. And of course open it on the Motorola, and here probably we have also accept all stuff to be able to continue working with this app. And yes, okay, so right now we have to click send on the iPhone and pick up the things that we want to take. So here we get the photos, and I think that I'm going to take, for example, this one and maybe this one. Here we can also select the videos. You can also take the contacts and other files, whatever you want. But it's only example, so I'm going to take only these two photos. On the Motorola I have to go for the received right here. Click send on your iPhone. And here we have to input the key, and after that we'll be able to connect. Click on this marker when you input. And as you can see, they are connected, and right now they are going to start transfer the data. So as you can see, transfer is complete, and right now we can check where are the files. So let's go for our files, and we'll be probably in the downloads, I think, or no, it's not here, so maybe on the internal storage, send anywhere. And yes, we have to move for the internal storage of our device, then we have to find the send anywhere folder, and here we will get the photos or the files that we sent from this phone to from the iPhone to our Motorola. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya.